Yes, there is an interesting trend be a so na amanfo adwen so na me kai obia on this because as a amanfo person mo ba she Kumasi Asante Kotoko the consistency anyhow yes but the crew me say oko Chelsea Manchester United na oko the same analysis sanity Sheriff Mohammed in the last 3 years 2021 2022 Kotoko squad a boy no Kotoko the G League no ono nkwani player aka okasa team we ho not even Justice Blay Esaba Kotoko 2022 January more so it was second round of SARS season and Justice Blay by squad I made to screen so Kotoko 2021 2022 season squad and that screen so no players ni nyina na 29 players na ene the only member of that squad or Kotoko team no hono Sheriff Mohammed awanya injury yes na manfo ka say 2001 ye ni player bia oda so Kotoko a start inti Kotoko consistency ni masa uko Chelsea 2021 2022 no uko form list na now the compare list na no Man City for the chi omu twa omu 4-2 na otumu say wan hwe ko mu kra de unya ba akokra so le be chono ba wo de ma men squad no mu in 2021 22 no around September season no squad we na Kotoko di rem goalkeepers na Razak Abalora Ibrahim Danlad Kwame Ba na Yakubu Abdurrafiu na defenders no na Augustine Japan Yusuf Mubarak Imoro Ibrahim Andrews Kwadwapo Charles Usu Patrick Kwadwo Asma manyane ntiese no Johnny Hassanisa Christopher Nate Samuel Apia Maswa Kofi Ajeman na Abdul Ganiu no na captain na midfielders no na Mudasiru Salifu Emmanuel Kayeke yes Richard Boadu Agadas Fabio Gama na Joseph Amwako Clinton Opoku assume Isaac Opong Neymar Richmond Lamptey Dixon Afuakwa Sheriff Mohammed so omuna na the midfielders into oko forwards no so strikers no na Evans Adomako Fege Etoga Samuel Boateng na achese omo maka nyina no na sisi omuni hobio mame samfa strikers no ento so ma quickly so strikers no Evans Adomako Fege na Mbella Samuel Boateng Andy Kumi Solomon Safutela Ernest Steven Amankona ze obrekum Chelsea no so far omunyina aka Sheriff Mohammed pe ono so apra we nya de nwanwa akra